MarineMax in Naples, Florida. We're here today to talk to you about the Sea Ray's 2023-20 Dancer. What a phenomenal boat that Sea Ray's come out with. Start at the back of the boat. It's powered by the Mercury Twin 350s. Plenty of power for the boat, plenty of speed. Gets up right up on plane. As we move forward, large seating. So you got L-shaped seating. You got a dedicated storage for the cooler out of the way. Great spot for it. And then this seat here does both. You can have it as a lounger this way, or you can move it to go forward. On the other side, we've got seating here as well. We've got a refrigerator, a sink, and an electric grill. So a nice little galley area. You've got cockpit air conditioning. You've got a sure shade that gives you plenty of shade going off the back. Moon roof. This completely opens up if you want the sun or the starlight at night. And as we move to the helm, beautiful dash with the twin Simrad touchscreens. Absolutely gorgeous. They've really simplified the dashes, but everything's in there. You've got the digital throttle and shift, and then you've got the joysticks. Three things, sideways docking, unbelievable. Gives you the sky hook locks you in place for slip assignments, sunset, it locks you in place. It's great as well. And then you've got the autopilot. So it's a phenomenal option on this boat. And then for as far as the cabin, we've got a stand-up head down below. We've got a V-berth sleeper for two people. And it also converts into a little dining area, and it's also air conditioned down there to get out of the weather. Nice one-piece windshield as we move forward to the bow. Really comfy sun pad area. You got three adults very comfortably without the armrest. You can put four adults comfortably up here. Plenty of room. So a cabin boat a lot of times does not have the seating area. So Sea Ray hit it out. You've got a table that goes in here. And you also have the rail that goes all the way around. So, phenomenal boat. Sound system's great. If you have any questions on it, my name is Bob Freeman. Please give me a call at 603-213-1194.